You know, I have a story to tell when I go back to my country. Kenya is so full of love. You're so caring. And your love is real. Hallelujah. How many people do you have here? Can I know the number? Can I know the numbers of people up here?
8,000.
Hallelujah. Wow, you guys are so many. I've seen that there's so many people here from Burundi, Rwanda, Abanyamulenge. God bless you so much. I was born in Congo, in a very village called Murenge. I'm from Murenge. And I'm very sure I have brothers and sisters here. What are you guys? Thank you so much for coming. I love you guys, I respect you, and God bless you. Now, I want to sing some few songs. Zitikwiru sane mutima cyane ndakuraba Zitikwiru sane mutima cyane ndakuraba Nakumenye cy'umusoro ushiraho Nari cy'uko Nashima,